So apparently, according to Catherine, we have a whole herd of sea cows out here. Manatees. There's the back of one of them. No, wrong way. Alright, let me give you, let me be quiet. So you can sneak out there. Tides up. So they're sitting there munching on the grass that's growing on the floor. Oh, there's a little snout. Hello, little snout. Hello. She just stuck her nose up for a little breath. That's the back of a manatee. Oh, there's little pieces of grass floating on top of the water. That's all the grass that they're pulling up and munching on. Blowing bubbles. That is so cool. I love living on the water. It's such a blessing. That is so cool, man. I love to see the wildlife out here. That's why we got out of the city. That's why we came out here and got the land. To be, you know, closer to nature. Well, it's another beautiful, typical, hot, humid Florida day. Got a little bit of breeze finally starting to kick in. That's nice. As long as that stays here, we'll be all right because we're working mostly in the shade. Still working on clearing up more of this side of the property over here that's been left to for the last couple of years. I haven't touched it, and it's just been getting taken over with vines and saplings. So all this is what we worked on yesterday, and I'm going to continue in this direction, getting all these ferns and vines cut back down and trimmed back up. Thank you for joining us, everybody, and hello and welcome back to the Hewitt Homestead. If you missed some of the last videos, we're back from vacation, you know, this summer, and we're getting back in the grind, and we're getting back on the projects and whipping all this land back into shape. So much work to do, and I only get about 2 hours a day, so I'm going to stop the yapping, and I'm going to start the working. Okay, so that's about 40, maybe 45 minutes of mowing, and we got a good little chunk done, you know what I'm saying? And I have other things to do because I need to do a better job cleaning up after myself. So as I'm mowing through here, there's a lot of big branches need to be put in a burn pile. There's trash from like the tropical storms and hurricanes over the years that have brought trash up here. See, we got this big old piece of plastic here. We got some random plastic empty bottle of oil. There's a couple pieces of 2x6 from somebody's dock. Gotta get those put in the burn pile. You know, I've got some old, I don't know, random plastic bottle, shampoo bottle, as well as this silt fence that was left over from us building our house. So, yeah, so I'm gonna be done on the mower, set that aside. I'm gonna clean up what I've already mowed. But man, it's looking good, you guys. It's so nice to be over here, and the breeze blows through these trees, and it's in the shade, and it's magnificent. Thank you, Father. All right, so this is what we got done today. For the 45 minutes of mowing, gonna spend another 20-30 minutes to clean up, get all these logs and everything picked up. You see some more there. Gotta get up and around this little patch right here, but that's very intricate work. A lot of palms that we want to save, a lot of maneuvering. But we got this little area cleaned out, a nice clean straight shot to the backyard. And you can just look up at this canopy, guys. Isn't this wonderful? Look at this big old tree right here. Boom shakalaka. And it continues on in that direction. Fortunately, all this stuff's been cut for a couple of years now, and it's nice and light and dried out. That's it, I'm done out here for the day. Gonna put my tools up, gonna get a quick little workout in, and then I gotta get cleaned up and head to work. Guys, I am so glad that you guys have joined me. I love sharing our journey with you. I love the journey that we're on, and I think some of you would enjoy a similar journey if you just get out there and get to it. Do a little bit every day. Do whatever you can do. Make a little progress every day. That's what I'm doing. And it really just, you know, it's a cliche, but they say, you know, living my best life. Guys, I'm living my best life. God has blessed me. You guys are a blessing. My family's a blessing. Thank you, Father. Make sure you're subscribed so you get all of our notifications. You can watch us transform this 11 acres into a working homestead. Only got a couple chickens now, but there's going to be more animals coming in the future. You hang in there, guys. All right, love you. Going to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.